Welcome to SBM 11.4 Using the Scheduler. This short module will introduce the new Scheduler feature, now available in SBM 11.4. Scheduler enables you to schedule jobs to be performed on a certain date and time or on a recurring basis. Some examples of jobs are sending an email, kicking off a script, running a web service, making a REST call, or raising an event. To run the scheduler, you first need to enable the notification server. Let's open SBM Configurator and enable this server in the Mail Services section. Now, let's log on to WorkCenter as a user with the remote administration privilege. Open the Application Administrator portal and launch the scheduler. Now, let's create a job. This will be an email notification that will go out to users, reminding them of the system maintenance scheduled on the last day of each month. Let's call this job Monthly System Maintenance. Note that you can disable the job, which saves the details about the job but will not execute it until you enable it. In the Schedule section, specify a time and frequency of execution. Under Action, select Send Email as the job type. Specify the email subject and the message. You can choose to have the email sent to all users or just the groups you select. This message will only be sent to users in the CR Administrator group. After you save the job, it appears in the Jobs view. Now, let's schedule another type of job. For this job, we will execute a mod script to perform data imports on a scheduled basis. For the action, select Run Script. Here's the data import script. Note that for this script to be available, it has already been created and deployed using SBM Composer. You can choose the user who will execute the script. And you can pass on parameter names and values to the script as needed. Now, let's save the job. And here are the two scheduled jobs we just set up. Finally, let's exit the Application Administrator. This concludes our short video on Scheduler in SBM 11.4. For complete documentation, visit help.serena.com.